So if you are new to Google Classroom, there are lots of tutorials out there for you. This example and this video is going to mostly be for users who are newer to the new versions of Google Classroom that just came out this year, because there are some nuances that will might be tricky for you. So Google Classroom now, their homepage still looks like this, about the same as before. You have a plus sign here for joining a class or creating a class. On this side is your list where it tells you your classes, your calendar for your classes. You have a to-do list here now that tells you if you need to grade any work. Your classes are listed here. These are the classes that I'm enrolled in. These are our building classes, our archived classes, and then your settings. So if I'm going to my home screen here and I'm going to click on one of my classes, this is the one that I use the most, Science and Social Studies. And the screen looks pretty much the same as it used to. A couple nuances. You can see your class code easily right here, and you can actually enlarge it for everyone to see when they join by clicking that little square. It's very convenient. You can still select your theme, upload your photo when you're setting up your class. At the top here you have your stream, which is right here. It gives you a quick view of everything you've posted. Here you have your classwork section. This has changed probably the most because now you can actually organize your postings by topic. I'm going to show you how to do that. Also, it's really helpful now to have an actual resource topic that you can students can easily find resources that they need for your lessons, something that they would refer to over and over again. So if I go back to all my topics, and we're in our electricity unit right now, and I click Create, you can create an assignment, a CAMI assignment, a quiz assignment, question, material, or reuse a post from a previous classroom. What I'm going to do and show you is creating an assignment. So when you create that assignment, you can choose if it's for all students or specific students for grouping and differentiation purposes. When you title your assignment, so I'm going to title this assignment Google Summit Example Assignment. If I can actually type. And then I put my instructions here. Start with the teaching prompt on electricity. Cannot spell tonight. Use your textbook pages, blah, blah, blah. You can choose your number of points that you have for this assignment. I usually go ungraded. You can choose your due date. I should choose no due date, and then your topic, which in this case would be electricity. You can create a topic. You could choose no topic, but putting it in a topic makes it much easier to find. Then again, you have your ways of posting work. You can upload a link from your computer. You can share from Google Drive. You can put a YouTube video, or you can put a link to another website. If you do use something from your Google Drive, when you click on your drive, it brings up recent automatically. So let's just say we're going to use, let me find something here that we can use that would be a good choice for a work sample. And let's say we're going to use this, should have found something sooner, I guess. Let's say we're going to use this historical fiction book club literature circles document. When I click add here, I have choices like I had before. Students can view the file, edit the file, or make a copy for each student. When they do that, when you make a copy for each student, obviously everybody gets one. If you're saying students can edit the file, that means they're all working on the same file. View the file means they cannot make any changes. So I'm going to say make a copy for each student. Then I can choose whether or not I want to schedule, save as draft, or assign. I'm going to choose schedule, and I'm going to schedule it for Monday, the 13th, and I'm going to schedule it for the time that class starts so that students cannot work ahead because I don't want them to work ahead. So change that to 1 p.m. I'm going to click schedule.